Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. This afternoon, because we left the hotel late due to being the Queen's funeral, we've come to Typhoon Lagoon. The home of the big wave. One of the things we like doing at Typhoon Lagoon is sitting on one of these ledges right here and waiting for the big wave to come and give us a splash. And yes, I think thunderclouds are gathering and I think we're going to get wet. And not just from the pool.
Don't do it if you don't have someone else to hold on to you.
Yeah, Ellie needs somebody to hold on to because that is a strong wave.
And I got pulled over once.
Here it comes.
Dad?
When the camera gets wet, it will sound a bit weird. Just warning you. That was chilly.
That's what happened.
Me and Tristan having a little bit of a wait out. Waiting for the next big one. Here it comes. Time for a little float around on the lazy river. Ellie. Here's Tristan trying to get a tube. Go, 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 go! Oh boy, we're gonna get wet. I might be underneath it. Is that cool, Emma? We've decided to come up to Leaning Palms to get something to eat. Tristan has got fries. Me and Emma have chicken wraps, which are freezing. Definitely just come out the fridge. TerryTracker life hack. These don't have any sauce on. Get yourself a barbecue, dip it in. Game changer. Me and Tristan's going to have a go of Crush and Gusher. This is a twin tube ride, and you have the choice of the coconut ride or the pineapple ride. Oh, that's right, there's banana as well. So there's pineapple plunger, coconut crusher, or banana blaster. Which one should we go on? Pineapple crusher, pineapple plunger is closed, so it's going to be coconut crusher or banana blaster. Which one? Coconut crusher. Let's go. The worst part of water slides: walking up all the stairs, climbing the tubes.
Please remember that you must be at least 48 inches tall to rock. For your safety, please remain seated in the tube and hold on to the handles with both hands. When you reach the bottom of the slide.
Wow, how did a tractor get up there? Back into my favourite little seat, waiting for the wave to come. So I'm sitting by the rocks here on this seat right here. There's some more around there, and it's just a nice cool sensation when the big wave comes up and splashes you. Well, it's really hot today. It's feels like temperature of 36 degrees and I am melting. And I've got cream all over my head to stop it burning. There's treasure in the path. Arr.
Ahoy!
Time for Misadventure Falls.
This is your captain, Mary Oceania. For your safety, please remain seated and hold on to the handles at all times. When you have completed your adventure, exit immediately to...
And away we go.
Misadventure Falls. This is your captain, Mary Oceania. For your safety, please remain seated and hold on.
You can feel the rollers. Whoa.
Where it stops at the top of the mountain and goes to the bottom.
Right, that's not like a mountain, that's a humongous.
We're going up, up, up. Oh, that crane doesn't sound too good. It's creaking. Don't fall. We made it. We made it.
Right on the water.
The rollers give a nice massage, don't they? Here we go.
Because we're the ones going backwards here.
Wave bye-bye.
Oh no.
Going backwards. And ready for the splash. Calamity, you're right, Ellie. Never noticed that one. This time we're going to try the banana blaster. Oh, back to the stairs. Whoop whoop chicken soup. Not. And with this one, you have to carry your own tube. And we've just realised there's an elevator. Oops. Just had a quick nap and now I'm going to have a cool off in the pool. This is one way to cool off, I suppose. Oh no. Oh boy. Woo. Yep, that cooled me off. So there you go, that was our little afternoon at Typhoon Lagoon after the Queen's funeral earlier this morning. And time to go. So see you all tomorrow, and now it's time to do your job.